Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off auto lock on Audible application. So how to turn off auto lock on Audible application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Audible app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Audible app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom left. And it appears like this. Tap the profile icon at the top right. Tap Player. And tap Turn off Auto Lock. So that's it, tutorial how to turn off auto lock on Audible application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.